The content strategy most creators are using right now was built for an internet that no longer exists, and I can prove that it died with numbers in the next 60 seconds. The strategy is teaching. Tips, tutorials, how-tos, 5 ways to grow on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever. The exact content every guru told you to make. I pulled the data on my own niche, and the gap between that content and what's replacing it is not 10%, it's 100 to 1. Stick around because the fix is not post more, it's a different kind of content entirely, and small creators are better at it than the big ones. Here are 3 things that killed teaching content, and they all happened in about 18 months. First, AI made tips infinite. HubSpot just surveyed marketers for their 2026 report. 52% said AI made content easier to make but less effective. 53% said they can't differentiate anymore. Everything sounds the same. When everyone can generate 5 tips in 10 seconds, 5 tips is worth nothing. The report says it in one line. Your judgment is the product now. Second, your audience stopped asking you. When someone wants to know how to do something in 2026, they don't search for a tutorial. They ask AI, they get a personalized answer in 5 seconds. Question and answer has lost its job. You cannot out-tutorial a chatbot. And the third one is the one that nobody talks about, and it's the trust freeze. AI content is flooding everything. It's a small slice today, and every projection says it's heading toward half of everything you scroll. Some even say that half of the internet is already AI. Half. It took us how long to build the internet, and it's already at half in 18 months. So audiences flip their default. It used to be, this is probably a real person, and now it's, this is probably fake. Generic content just doesn't underperform anymore. It reads as machine made, even when you wrote it yourself. And that's the death certificate. Now here's what's replacing it. Last week, I ran a full research sweep on my own niche, every breakout post across the top accounts. The tactical posts, the how-tos, the tip carousels topped out between 20 and 140,000 views. It's decent. And then the story posts, personal experiences, opinions, transformations, 6 to 8 million views each. Same niche, same week, same platforms. That's roughly 100 times the reach. And not because the tactical posts were bad, but because they're replaceable.